Welcome to Naturally Healthy, where we share useful health knowledge and natural methods to help you improve your quality of life. Today, we will learn about a food that is both familiar and magical in everyday life: honey. Have you ever wondered, why is honey considered a miracle drug in traditional medicine? How can honey both support treatment and improve overall health? In this video, we will delve into the nutritional composition and wonderful effects of honey, how to use honey to treat some common diseases, important notes when using honey to ensure effectiveness and safety, and finally, how to incorporate honey into your daily life to maximize its benefits. Let's get started, and remember to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important information. First, let's explore the special nutritional composition of honey. Honey is not just a natural sugar, but also contains many beneficial nutrients, natural enzymes. These enzymes not only help fight inflammation, but also aid digestion and boost immunity. Antioxidants. Honey contains flavonoids and polyphenols, substances that help the body fight harmful free radicals, slow down the aging process, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Vitamins and minerals. Honey provides vitamin C, vitamin B6, calcium, potassium, and iron, helping the body maintain healthy functioning. Now let's see what specific health benefits honey brings. Natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Pure honey has the ability to kill many types of disease-causing bacteria, soothe inflammation both inside and outside the body. This is why honey is used to treat wounds and skin ulcers. Aids digestion. Honey helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, improves nutrient absorption, and reduces symptoms of bloating and indigestion. Increases natural energy. If you need a quick source of energy without wanting to drink caffeinated drinks, honey is the ideal choice. The natural sugars in honey are quickly absorbed by the body, providing lasting energy. Aids sleep. A glass of warm water mixed with honey before bed helps relax and improve sleep quality. With these benefits, honey deserves to be considered one of nature's superfoods. So specifically, what health problems can honey help treat? Let's take a look at the most common applications: colds and sore throats. Whenever you feel a sore throat, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey with warm water and add a little lemon juice. This mixture not only soothes the throat, but also helps reduce coughs and boost immunity. Insomnia. If you have trouble sleeping, mix honey with a glass of warm milk. Honey helps the body relax while stimulating the brain to produce serotonin, a natural sleep aid. Poor digestion. In the morning, drink a glass of warm water mixed with honey and a few slices of fresh ginger. This drink helps stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, and abdominal discomfort. Wounds and damaged skin. Apply raw honey directly to small wounds or sunburned skin. Thanks to its antibacterial and moisturizing properties, honey helps wounds heal quickly and reduces the risk of infection. Aids in treating allergies. Some people believe that using raw local honey can help reduce the symptoms of seasonal allergies. This is because honey contains small amounts of pollen, which helps the body get used to and react less to them. Reduce stress. When you feel tired and stressed, a cup of chamomile tea with honey can be the ideal solution for you to relax. These uses are not only simple, but also effective, suitable for all ages. Although honey is very good, to use it properly, you need to note the following. Do not use honey for children under 1 year old. This is extremely important. Honey can contain Clostridium botulinum spores, which can cause poisoning in young children. Choose pure honey. Avoid using honey mixed with preservatives. Look for reputable sources. Do not heat honey at high temperatures. When heated, the enzymes and nutrients in honey will be destroyed. Mix honey with warm water, not boiling water. Control the amount used. Although honey is good, it still contains sugar. Use it in moderation, especially if you have blood sugar problems. Consult your doctor. If you are taking medication or have a special medical condition, consult a specialist before using honey. So we have just learned about the wonderful benefits of honey and how to use it in daily life. Honey is a precious gift from nature, but always use it properly to ensure safety and effectiveness. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next useful content.